Good morning, everybody. Coming to you today. I've got a 06 Dodge 3500 four-wheel drive Cummins diesel truck on the lift today. 6-speed manual. This is an older couple. They call this old girl, this has got a nickname, they call her the Texas Two-Step. This is an older couple and they come up here from Texas. On their way up here, they had some issues and stuff. They paid over $900 to have 3 universal joints put in their drive shaft. Over $900. Right here's the new universal joint. It's a greasable joint. Here's an original joint. Here's an original joint. If you can see, this joint back here is whooped. I seen the bill. This is kind of disturbing that people actually take advantage of other people like this. Charged them over $900 for this. I can't say the name of the business because of legalities. This is really sad. I don't know how it is in other states or anything, but here in Michigan, you can ask the repair facility to see your old parts. You can even take your old parts with you as long as they don't have a core on them. A lot of places will think of you as a roadkill because they're probably never going to see you again. And they'll take advantage of you. But you want to make sure they can ask them to see your old parts. Look underneath it and make sure everything was done to it that you paid for. This is really disturbing. You know, there's a lot of people out there that don't have the knowledge of being a mechanic or even mechanical abilities. And to see old people and them kind of people taken advantage of, that really bothers me. So we're going to go ahead and fix this up for these people. They're going to get done right. So y'all have a great day. Make sure to see your old parts. Don't become roadkill. We'll talk at you later. You have a safe one out there. We'll see you around. Thank you very much. Bye.